Alright. Regular solid Rubik's Cube. Mix it up. On camera.
I gotta get on camera. One more time.
Nice.
Okay, does everybody see?
It's not messed with
Okay, something's up there. What?
It's them, you retard. Just mixing it up some more. Alright, here we go. It's fully unsolved. There's nothing solved about it.
Don't be in the video.
Guys, stay back.
Hey guys, go back there. If you want to be in the video, stand by the window. You'll be in it. No, really by the window, like under the window. Okay, you guys are in it, look.
Good. Don't touch the camera.
You couldn't see the whole Rubik's Cube. Get out of there, Logan, you guys.
Yeah, that would really suck if I started messing it up. I know it's not the world's fastest, but it's a solve nonetheless. Logan, shut up.
Your lips didn't even move on the computer when you said that. Really? This is the video. How long is it gonna take you, dude?
More seconds. It's all done.
Wait. Okay, this is me again. This is the guy that yeah. There. You see it? Oh, whoops. Oh, that was my fault. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.